Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So in the last video, I talked about the science behind weight loss. I talked about what is calorie deficit, what is calorie surplus, and entire dynamics of calories in the weight reduction or weight gain process. But I totally understand that if you are a beginner, it will be very difficult for you to find out the right amount of food that you're required to intake. And that's why here I am with another video on how you can find out the calories that you're supposed to eat, either to lose weight or to gain weight or to maintain weight. And it's not that difficult, okay? Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I upload videos on the fitness related content. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is Fitness by Grit, where I post my daily fitness vlog, what I eat, what I work out. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Okay, so open the Google first and then type TDEE calculator. It means total daily energy expenditure. Now, TDE is a measure of how many calories you burn in a day considering your activity level, your age, your weight, your height. So when I say activity level, it means whether you have sedentary job, it means almost negligible physical activity, or if you are into light exercises or moderate exercise or heavy exercise. So depending on all these factors, TDE is calculated. Now let's take example. So let's select gender female, age 29, weight 60, height 160, and I am selecting sedentary office job. It means I am not doing any kind of workout, and body percentage fat we do not have, and also it's optional, so it's not required. Now let's see the results. See, it means if I am not doing any workout and if I'm only working and doing day-to-day activity, for that I only need 1553 calories. So that's my maintenance calorie. It means I will neither lose weight or gain weight if I intake 1553 calories. Now, if you have weight of 60, and you can see here the ideal weight is like 52 to 57 kgs for that weight and height. So if I want to maintain weight and I do not have any plan to, reduce weight, then 1553 calories per day I'm supposed to take. So for maintenance, if I am on moderate carbs, so this is my requirement. So per day, I'm supposed to eat 136 grams of carbs, 60 grams of fat, and 116 grams of protein. But if you're looking for weight reduction, then you will have to take calories of 1053. Okay, you're going to create 500 calorie per day deficit by eating this much of calorie. It means you're going to lose 1 to 1.5 kgs per week if you eat 1053 calories. So your requirement for protein, fats and carbs, everything changes once you change your calorie per day. But this should be the combination, like 30% of protein, 35% of fat and 35% of carbs. That's the ideal. Now, if you're looking for bulking, it means if you want to gain weight, then if you add up 500 calories, it means you're gonna increase your weight with the rate of 1 to 1.5 kgs if you eat in surplus, which is like 2000 calories per day. Now, let's take another scenario where you start working out. Okay, so your maintenance calorie requirement also changes with the change in your lifestyle. So let's select a moderate exercise. It means I am working out 3 to 5 days a week. Let's recalculate it. So if I am working out and I am having calories of 2000 per day, then I won't see any reduction in weight. Okay, so my calories requirement changes once I include physical activity into my day-to-day routine. So the requirements of protein, fat and carbs changes accordingly. But with the moderate exercise, if I am looking to reduce weight, I will have to eat in calorie deficit, which would be around like 500 calories per day if I'm looking to reduce at least 1 to 1.5 kgs per week. It means even with the exercise, I'll have to eat 1500 calories
for losing weight. So you can see the importance of calories in your life, whether you are looking to maintain weight or to, gain weight or to reduce weight. Is the calorie that matters the most. So even if you are working out or if you're not working out, but if you're not eating in calorie deficit, things will not work. I know the next question that must be coming into your mind is how to track the calories. See, they are suggesting like you can use food scale or MyFitnessPal app, but personally I used Healthify Me app. That was really helpful for me in tracking down my calories in my initial months. And once I got used to of it, I was able to find out like how much calories are there in a particular food item, and I was able to maintain the calories requirement for a day.
Okay, so after watching this video, I'm sure you must be knowing like how much calorie you should be eating to reduce weight or gain weight. If you liked my video, don't forget to give me a like and comment below, and don't forget to hit to the subscribe button. Till then, bye bye.